You're going to find out the ugly truth about the Sirtfood diet. Before we get started, if you'd like to know how I personally lost over 20 pounds over the last few months, click the link in the description below. Now, trendy new diets seem to pop up regularly, and the Sirtfood diet is one of the latest. It has become a favorite of celebrities in Europe and is famous for allowing red wine and chocolate. Its creators insist that it's not a fad, but rather they claim that Sirtfoods are the secret to unlocking fat loss and preventing disease. However, health experts warn that this diet may not live up to the hype and could even be a bad idea. This article provides an evidence-based review of the Sirtfood diet and its potential health benefits. What is the Sirtfood diet? Two celebrity nutritionists working for a private gym in the UK developed the Sirtfood diet. They advertise the diet as a revolutionary new diet and health plan that works by turning on your skinny gene. This diet is based on research on sirtuins, sirts, a group of 7 proteins found in the body that has been shown to regulate a variety of functions, including metabolism, inflammation and lifespan. Certain natural plant compounds may be able to increase the level of these proteins in the body, and foods containing them have been dubbed Sirtfoods. The list of the top 20 Sirtfoods provided by the Sirtfood diet includes kale, red wine, strawberries, onions, soy, parsley, extra virgin olive oil, dark chocolate, 85% cocoa, matcha, green tea, buckwheat, turmeric, walnuts, arugula, rocket, bird's eye, chili, lovage, medjool, dates, red chicory, blueberries, capers, coffee. The diet combines Sirtfoods and calorie restriction, both of which may trigger the body to produce higher levels of sirtuins. The Sirtfood diet book includes meal plans and recipes to follow, but there are plenty of other Sirtfood diet recipe books available. The diet's creators claim that following the Sirtfood diet will lead to rapid weight loss, all while maintaining muscle mass and protecting you from chronic disease. Once you have completed the diet, you're encouraged to continue including Sirtfoods and the diet's signature green juice into your regular diet. Is it effective? The authors of the Sirtfood diet make bold claims, including that the diet can supercharge weight loss, turn on your skinny gene, and prevent diseases. The problem is there isn't much proof to back these claims. So far, there's no convincing evidence that the Sirtfood diet has a more beneficial effect on weight loss than any other calorie-restricted diet. And although many of these foods have healthful properties, there have not been any long-term human studies to determine whether eating a diet rich in Sirtfoods has any tangible health benefits. Nevertheless, the Sirtfood diet book reports the results of a pilot study conducted by the authors and involving 39 participants from their fitness center. However, the results of this study appear not to have been published anywhere else. For 1 week, the participants followed the diet and exercised daily. At the end of the week, participants lost an average of 7 pounds (3.2 kilograms) and maintained or even gained muscle mass. Yet, these results are hardly surprising. Restricting your calorie intake to 1,000 calories and exercising at the same time will nearly always cause weight loss. Regardless, this kind of quick weight loss is neither genuine nor long-lasting, and this study did not follow participants after the first week to see if they gained any of the weight back, which is typically the case. When your body is energy deprived, it uses up its emergency energy stores, or glycogen, in addition to burning fat and muscle. Each molecule of glycogen requires 3 to 4 molecules of water to be stored. When your body uses up glycogen, it gets rid of this water as well. It's known as water weight. In the first week of extreme calorie restriction, only about 1/3 of the weight loss comes from fat, while the other 2/3 comes from water, muscle and glycogen. As soon as your calorie intake increases, your body replenishes its glycogen stores, and the weight comes right back. Unfortunately, this type of calorie restriction can also cause your body to lower its metabolic rate, causing you to need even fewer calories per day for energy than before. It's likely that this diet may help you lose a few pounds in the beginning, but it'll likely come back as soon as the diet is over. As far as preventing disease, 3 weeks is probably not long enough to have any measurable long-term impact. On the other hand, adding Sirtfoods to your regular diet over the long term may very well be a good idea. But in that case, you might as well skip the diet and start doing that now. Is there an eating plan for the Sirtfood diet? Yes, in the Sirtfood Diet book there is a helpful chart telling you what you can eat on each day and when. The book has all the recipes you will need for the first 3 weeks. There is a meat-fish option and a vegetarian-vegan option for every day. This diet may help you lose weight because it's low in calories, but the weight is likely to return once the diet ends. The diet is too short to have a long-term impact on your health. Can you eat meat on the Sirtfood Diet? Is there an eating plan for the Sirtfood Diet? Yes, in the Sirtfood Diet book there is a helpful chart telling you what you can eat on each day and when. The book has all the recipes you will need for the first 3 weeks. There is a meat-fish option and a vegetarian-vegan option for every day. How do I start the Sirtfood Diet? The diet has 2 phases. Phase 1 lasts for 7 days. For the first 3 days, you drink 3 Sirtfood green juices and 1 meal rich in Sirtfoods for a total of 1,000 calories. On days 4 through 7, you drink 2 green juices and 2 meals for a total of 1,500 calories. Are there any downsides to the Sirtfood Diet? The long-term sustainability of this plan is questionable. Once you're past the first few weeks, there's no eating strategy to follow other than adding more Sirtfoods to each meal. This makes the diet much more flexible than most, which is a huge perk, but a 3-week-long stretch of deprivation could easily lead to overeating during phase 2, ultimately placing you back at square one. Even if you're uber disciplined, this is still a tough diet to follow. A mere 1,000 calories will leave most people feeling very hungry. And if you're not a fan of green juice, a staple of the first week, that will make you even hungrier. Also, since most of the weight loss in phase 1 is water weight, it will come right back on once you resume normal eating. According to Men's Health, eating fewer calories can come with its own troubles. If you're not used to eating less throughout your day, you may also experience fatigue, nausea, impaired mental focus, and headaches. The bottom line, the approved foods in the Sirtfood Diet are low in calories and high in nutrients, which is great for weight loss. However, this particular diet may be restrictive and tough to maintain. Talk to a doc you trust about whether the plan is right for you before starting it. How can I lose tummy fat fast? 20 effective tips to lose belly fat, backed by science. Eat plenty of soluble fiber. Avoid foods that contain trans fats. Don't drink too much alcohol. Eat a high-protein diet. Reduce your stress levels. Don't eat a lot of sugary foods. Do aerobic exercise, cardio, cut back on carbs, especially refined carbs. Is the Sirtfood Diet healthy? The Sirtfood Diet overall is pretty restrictive in terms of both foods and calories, which may make it difficult to stick to. There is also no evidence to suggest it's a more effective way to lose weight than any other calorie-controlled diet. Is broccoli a Sirtfood? Sirtfoods contain a particularly high proportion of particular substances that stimulate the sirtuins already present in your body. Some of the better-known Sirtfoods include broccoli, curcuma, and green tea. How much weight can you lose on a 1,200-calorie diet? After 1 year, those on the 1,200 to 1,500 calorie per day diet experienced an average weight loss of 15 pounds (6.8 kilograms). However, 23% of the 4,588 people following the 1,200-calorie diet dropped out of the study. How much weight will I lose on 800 calories a day? Some people go on a very low-calorie diet for rapid weight loss, often consuming only 800 calories a day. This type of diet usually includes special foods such as shakes, bars, or soups to replace meals and for added vitamins. Very low-calorie diets can help a person achieve weight loss of up to 3 to 5 pounds per week. Will eating 1,000 calories lose weight? So, in general, if you cut about 500 to 1,000 calories a day from your typical diet, you'd lose about 1 to 2 pounds a week. It sounds simple. However, it's more complex because when you lose weight, you usually lose a combination of fat, lean tissue and water. How many calories do models eat? The VS diet is high in good fats and protein, low in carbs, and limited to 1,300 calories a day. The models are told to eat lean chicken, beef or fish with every meal, or the equivalent in eggs, around 3. How can I lose 1 kilogram in a week? Over the long term, it's smart to aim for losing 1 to 2 pounds (0.5 to 1 kilogram) a week. Generally, to lose 1 to 2 pounds a week, you need to burn 500 to 1,000 calories more than you consume each day, through a lower calorie diet and regular physical activity. What do models eat for breakfast? Her diet consists of clean foods, like eggs, avocado, salmon and chicken. For breakfast, I like scrambled eggs, avocado, oatmeal, I really love oatmeal, or granola and yogurt. What 2 vegetables will kill belly fat? Here are some of the best vegetables that you can include in your diet to lose belly fat quickly: spinach and other leafy greens. Spinach and other leafy green vegetables like kale, lettuce, etc. Mushrooms. Cauliflower and broccoli. Chilies. Pumpkin. Carrots. Beans. Asparagus. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more, and click the link in the description below to learn about an amazing weight loss program.